Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Sorento headlight. First, gather your tools, including a new headlight bulb and a Phillips head screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so ensure your Sorento is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before beginning any electrical work to prevent accidental shorts or injury. This simple step ensures a safe working environment. Now, let's get to the headlight. Pop open your Sorento's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic covers or clips to gain clear access. These usually come off easily with a flathead screwdriver or by hand. Once you have a clear view, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. It often has a small tab you press to release it. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your Sorento model, you'll either twist the bulb counterclockwise or unclip a retaining spring to release it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly aligned. Almost done. Now, reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Replace any plastic covers or clips you removed earlier, making sure everything is snug and secure. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Turn on your Sorento and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly. You've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.